I'm going to show you how we can actually publish messages and create messages in PubSub after we've created some topics. Let's go ahead and get started with going to our Google Cloud Console first, and then up at the very top, let's go ahead and actually type in PubSub. And what you should see is pub/sub, and you see global real-time messaging. We're going to go ahead and click this, and we're going to be met with a page that looks like this. We should be at the topics page. So if you go to the left-hand side and underneath PubSub, you should click topics in case you weren't there already. And this is what the page will look like. You can see here I already have some topics that are already created in my Google Cloud project, but I'm going to show you how we can create one brand new from scratch and then attach a pull subscription to this topic. Let's go ahead and click create topic up at the very top. And now it's going to be asking us to create a topic ID. Now there's some options here that are useful for us. So let's first just give it a topic ID. I'm going to call it my-topic, like so. And so this is going to be enough for that. And then what I want to do is I want to check the box that says add a default subscription. What this will do is not only create a topic, but it'll also create a subscription in one step that's subscribed to this topic that will be a pull subscription. That's fine for now. I don't need to enable ingestion or any of these other tools, but keep in mind that I can export message data to BigQuery and store them in its own table. What I'll do for encryption is make sure that the messages are encrypted using the Google managed encryption key. They're keys that are owned by Google, which is secure enough for our use case. Go ahead and click create at the very bottom and give it a moment for the topic to be created. Now, when the topic is created, you should see it in the list of topics that we had at the very beginning, and it'll take you to a topic subscription page. So as you can see here, it immediately took me not just to my topic, which is what I've created, but it also created the my topic subscriber for me. So this is a subscriber for those messages. Now let's go ahead and go back to the topics, and I'll show you the actual topic itself and what it looks like on the front page. So if I click topics here and I search a filter by my-topic, and you can see here's my topic. This is the one I just created. And let's go ahead and click this one. Now I'm met with the my topic details page, and there's a few different sections for me that are useful. One is the subscription sections, which shows all the subscribers that are subscribed to this topic. So here I've got one that's created by default, my-topic-sub. Great. Another one that's useful is being able to look at the metrics page. And this allows me to see how much traffic has been attached to this topic. And so that's useful for that as well. Now, if I come over here to the messages section, you can see that I can actually test my subscription to see if I can receive a manually published message. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go to step one and actually click publish message. Now at the very top, what will happen here is this little window will pop up and it asks us to see how many messages we want to publish. Let's go ahead and click number of messages as to 1. Now I can provide it a message body. I'm going to keep the message body very easy, but keep in mind that the message size should not exceed 10 megabytes. So for now, I'm just going to leave it as this is a message to my topic. Great. So that's enough for now. Let's come over here. Let's scroll down a little bit. I can also add some attributes, so some key value pairs that are useful to help us read this message if we need to. For now, I'll just leave it like this, and I will go ahead and click publish. Now, the message has been published. The next step is to actually select our subscriber and see if we can pull some messages from this topic. So this little drop-down menu will list all of the subscribers that are attached to my-topic. So here's the one that I've just been creating. I'll click that. And now it'll ask, if I scroll down just a little bit further, you'll see that now there's a section that says I get to pull. Now I get to pull means that I need to pull the topic to see if there are any new messages that are there. I'm going to click the pull button right there. It's going to take a moment for it to pull any information. And you can see that there it is on this date. You can see that it says this is a message to my topic, and it tells me if any other information for such as an ordering key or if there's an acknowledgement that's being sent back. And so that is how we can actually publish messages and receive messages to a Google PubSub topic and a subscriber.